if you want to install a new font into Microsoft Word or another Office products, the first that you need to prepare is the font itself. The problem is, where can I get the font, the new font, or the font that you want? Well, the site that I suggest you to access is Google Fonts. So in this case, I'll show you how to use Google Fonts to add new fonts to the Microsoft Word. At the search bar of your Google Chrome, let's type Google Fonts like this, and you'll see at the search bar at the top here you have fonts.google.com, and let's access it. And Google Fonts provides so many fonts that you can use and you can install into your Office products. Okay, and also at the left side here you have so many filters that you can use. Let's say if you want to search or filter the fonts that appear based on the feeling, appearance, calligraphy, serif, sans serif, technology, seasonal, and so on. Let's see if you want to font that have Halloween style. Let's click the Halloween. This is the style of the font that has Halloween style, and you can also uncheck it. Let's access another type of fonts. Let's see the techno option here. You have space grotesque, chakra patch, and so on. And let's say if you want to install this space grotesque, let's click this font, and then at the right top here you have get font. Okay, this is where you will download the font from Google Fonts. Let's click the Google font and then click the download now. Okay, at the download bar you have the new font that you download from the Google Fonts, and then let's access it to your storage. Now I have it, and then let's extract it into the specific folder. Okay, I have space grotesque folder. After that, you have so many options here: OFL, README, and so on. And I'll suggest you to access the static. You can also access the space grotesque here, but first let's access the static. Then let's select the whole type of this one: bold, light, medium, regular, and semi-bold. After that, right click, then install for all users. Okay, let's wait until the installation process complete. Okay, I think the process is complete, and let's use Microsoft Word to provide that the font is already installed into the application. The name of the font is Space Grotesque. So let's see at the font type here, Space Grotesque. Now you have Space Grotesque, Space Grotesque Light, Medium, Semi-Bold appear on the font list of your Microsoft Word. And you can also access this font through your Microsoft Excel, PowerPoint, and so on. That's it. See you in the next video.